Today, we will talk about how to start a mortgage company. Let's have a look at the details. A mortgage is a specific type of debt taken on by people buying real estate. A mortgage company can work as an intermediary between individuals and banks to secure mortgages for their clients. Such companies work with a variety of clients to aid in the stages of qualifying for and paying off a mortgage depending on their circumstances. With a little time and effort, you can become a loan originator and begin helping people who want to purchase the property. The first step is starting a mortgage brokerage. Learn your state's rules. Every state has its own rule and requirements for licensing, so you'll need to find out what is necessary for the state you want to work in. Apply to NMLS. The NMLS helps to govern the regulations and licensing for mortgage brokers nationwide, and joining it will get you into the national system. Apply for a state license. Once you are certified by NMLS, you need to get a license from the state you intend to work in. Maintain your license. You will need to annually renew your broker license. The second step is starting your business. Decide what kinds of mortgages you want to specialize in. Like any new business, you will need a niche to get started and find new customers. Create your business plan. If you are going into business independently, you will need a plan to help establish your structure and explain your goals to potential investors and employees. Obtain office space. You can rent, lease, or buy office space. You will want to find a place that is easily accessible to your clients. Register the business in your state. Every state has a different office and requirements for registering a new mortgage company. Get tax information. Your business will need to pay taxes, so you will need a tax identification number for federal and state offices. Locate vendor partners and wholesale lenders. These will be the companies you work with to secure loans. The more lenders you work with, the wider the array of loans you can offer. And the third step is growing your business. Market your business. This is a very personal business that thrives on interaction. Because most of your income will come from commissions, you will need to constantly find and add new customers. Hire additional staff. As your company grows, you may want to hire additional brokers, loan officers, or loan processors. Implement a quality control program. Granting mortgages is a complicated and expensive process, one you will want to get right. Open a new branch. If your business is going well, and you want to reach new clients in another part of town, or in a different town, you can open up a new office. Expand your niche. If your company can develop a strong reputation for the quality of your work, you may consider expanding the kinds of mortgages you offer. If people trust you to steer them in the right direction, they will be more willing to consider different services. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.